Most of the times, you have a video that's longer than 10 seconds, and luckily enough, Snapchat people don't want us to save that to my eyes only. But I'm here at your service, sirs and madams. Touch and hold the desired video from your camera roll, and to your no surprise, there's no hide button. But what we do have is this create button. Well then click it. Don't worry about naming this story. Just click the save story button. Now go to the Snaps tab. Here you'll see your alien video. Now click and hold. And behold people. Hide button. Boom. You can say welcome to your happiness back in your life. You can see that the video we sent here has arrived safe and sound. Now go to the Stories tab. This step is not necessary, but you can do it if you want. Press and hold this story that we created and click delete story. Just to keep things clean. This will not delete it from the my eyes only. That copy is safe there. Thank me never. Just give the channel a sub. See ya later.